welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing another Fashom unboxing. This is my second unboxing of Fashom on my channel. If you'd like to check out my first unboxing, I will link it down below. If you are unfamiliar with what Fashom is, I will give a little brief description of what it entails, how it works, and that kind of thing. But if you already know all of that information and just want to see what I got in my Fashom box this month, then I will put a timestamp on the screen where you can click to just see what I got in my box and not hear the informative part of this video. So Fashom is a styling subscription box. How it works is you go onto their app or onto their website, create a profile, and then fill out a style profile. So it asks questions about your height, your measurements, your preferences, if you like these styles or those styles, if there's certain things in fabrics that you don't like. After you have filled out your profile, you submit a styling request, and then a person who works for Fashom selects 7 items for you to choose from. So once they have selected all of your items, you should get a notification. You can also go and check your profile to see if they're finished or not. They say that it takes up 2 to 3 days, but I think that I got my items back within 24 hours, but it could take up to 3 days to get your items back. So once they send you those items to look at, you look through those 7 items. It also lists the price of each of the items, so you can take that into account, and then you choose from those 7 items 5 items that you want them to send to you. Once you've selected which items you want them to send to you, they ship your box out in pretty quick time. I think it took about a week total for everything to get to me, about between the moment I scheduled my styling to the moment it arrived at my door, so that's a pretty quick turnaround. So you get your items, you take them out of the box, you try them on, you choose what you want to keep and what you want to send back. There is a styling fee with Fashom, but it does not apply to your very first Fashom box. So your first styling fee is waived, but any styling after your first one does cost a $15 styling fee. That styling fee does get applied to anything you choose to keep from your box. Also, they do have a referral program, so I will leave my referral link down below. So if you click on that, you do get a $10 credit towards your box. So if you want to try Fashom out, you can get a $10 credit and have your styling fee waived. So basically that means that you're trying it risk-free, and if you find something in your first box that you like, then you get $10 off of it. Shipping is free both ways, and they do provide a mailer inside of your box to ship back anything that you choose not to keep. Pretty easy. Fashom also donates $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC for every box that they sell, so that's pretty awesome. And they also offer plus size, petite, and maternity styles. So with that being said, I do know basically what's in here because I had to pick the items out, but I don't, of course, obviously know what they look like in person, how the material feels, how they fit, or anything like that. So I'm really excited. There's a couple pieces in here that I am really excited to try on. As a matter of fact, I did get this shirt right here in my last box that I chose to keep, and I got a pair of shorts that I kept in my last box, and they've become one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe. I absolutely love them. So got my handy dandy box knife here. We're gonna open up this box. This is what my box looks like right here. So we do have a note on top, and then this should have, I think, just kind of all of my information. So it has all of my pieces and my prices. I also have my return envelope right here, so we'll push that off to the side. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing on top, this is the dress that I actually chose. This material is so much softer than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh. This dress right here, and I will try all of these on so you can see them a little bit better. This is the Gilly Faux Wrap dress, and this is $49. It's so incredibly soft, and it is a nice olive green color. I like that it has, of course, the wrap front, and then it also has this nice V-neck back, which I think is really cute. A lot of times they're just not a, well, yeah, kind of like a scoop neck back, but I love the V-neck. So there is the front. We have a nice little bow on the side, and then of course there is the back. It looks like when I put it on, it might come down to my mid-thigh area. This is a really pretty color for the fall, so I'm really excited to try this on. Ooh, this is one of the things that I was most excited about from this. I think there's two things that I was most excited about, and this is one of them. Oh my gosh, this feels like such a good material. This is the Bloom Sage Stripe Design Ruffle Hem Blouse. I think that this would look so pretty for work. The material on this just feels so almost light and airy. I feel like this could look really good in the spring. It does look a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but maybe it'll look fine on. Maybe that's kind of the style. I think this is in a size medium. Oh no, this is in a size small. Okay, so I'm expecting that this is probably supposed to be pretty big and flowy. Next, we have a shirt that I'm a little unsure of the pattern on. It's pretty busy, but we shall see. So this is a kind of quarter length sleeve top with a stripe and floral pattern on it. It also has a knot in the front, which I think is cute. I really like stripes, and I really like these kind of bold, chunky, floral watercolor patterns. So it's kind of like my two favorite patterns mixed together, which kind of makes it a lot, but maybe I will love it. I'm not totally sure. If it fits really good, it is really soft. It does have those kind of flowy sleeves on it. That is the Chris and Carol striped and floral knot top for $38. I don't think I said, but the shirt that I pulled out before, the Bloom shirt, was $39. And then this was $38. Those are our first 3 items. We have 2 more. All right, next we have something that's perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is a sweater. Oh, this feels so soft. Holy moly. All right, so this is what the front looks like. It does have a kind of scooped neck at the top, but then the back has a cross at the base, and then, you know, this little piece right here to kind of hold it together. Super soft. I really like the color of this. This is the 22nd long sleeve Hachi brush top. Quite the mouthful. And this one is $43. So this is, oh, the dress was $49, this was $43. So the dress was still the most expensive, and then this was the second most expensive. These are kind of boutique type prices, but I think a little less expensive than boutique. The last thing in the box is, I think, what I'm most excited about. It reminds me of the pair of shorts that I got in my last box that have become my favorite things. These are not shorts, they are pants. They're the same color though. The shorts that I got were basically the same, like kind of light olive color. So this is what this is gonna be really hard to show. These are just like super slouchy olive green pants with pockets. We love ourselves some pockets. And the tie right here, these look almost identical to my shorts, but in pant form. It's crazy. I'm not totally sure if they're the same brand. These are the Blue Pepper button detail side open pants. I don't know why it says that they're side open. Maybe by side open they mean they have pockets. I don't know. I don't really see any sides being opened, but I'm really excited to try these on. I think these look super comfy, especially maybe even just for kind of lounging around the house, or maybe just running some errands in. I'm really excited to try these on. And those pants were $38. So the total cost of everything in my box is $207. Something I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is you do get a 25% off if you choose to keep 3 of the items, and then you get 30% off if you choose to keep all 5 of the items. That's a pretty good discount. If I decided to keep everything in this box, I would save $62.10, which would knock my total from $207 down to $144.90. As I mentioned also, there is a referral program, so anybody who used my referral link that I linked in my last video and got $10 and gave me $10. Huge thank you to you. You are the reason that I might be able to keep some of these, and I'm just super grateful to you. So far, I really like a lot, if not most, of these items, so we'll see, but I do have some credits to use, so thank you again if you signed up using my code that I linked in the last video. Now, the most exciting part, I'm gonna start trying some of these on. I have some black pants on right now, so I'll probably try the tops on first and then try the dress and the pants on. Yeah. All right, so this is the first top. This is the one I was kind of the least excited about, I think, out of everything. And I don't know, I don't hate it. It's definitely comfortable. It does feel a little bit frumpy. If this was the only item out of everything that I was kind of like meh about, I would probably just keep it because I would get that discount. All right, so I don't know if this is any better, but I don't love it. If I needed to keep it because it was a better deal to keep it than to send it back, then I wouldn't have any issues with that. But I do feel like it's a little bit too big for me in kind of all of the areas. It's definitely soft, and I don't hate the colors of it, but I do feel like it's kind of frumpy. So we'll see. This is the first item, the item I was kind of the least excited about. So that's okay that I don't absolutely love it, but we'll see. All right, so here is the sweater. It's definitely super soft on the outside, but not super soft on the inside. It's not soft, it's just not very soft. The back though is pretty cute. We do have the tie right here and then the cross up there. You can see my bra in this though, so I'd have to wear some kind of bralette so that the back looked a little bit cuter. The front does look a tiny bit frumpy, not the most attractive. I think I'm gonna have to think about this one. I definitely don't hate it and it is comfortable. The only thing that's not super comfortable is the tag in the back. It's pretty itchy, but you know, that will go away. So I definitely need to think about this one also. All right, so here is the other top. I think the last top that I got in my box. I did tuck it in just because I wanted to see what it looked like tucked in with high-waisted pants. I don't know, I don't think I hate it tucked in. This is what it looks like out. I don't know why I feel like this, like the bottom part looks kind of weird. Is that just me? Does it look weird? I can't tell, help. I don't know, what do you think? I kind of like the sleeves, but I feel like the bottom part just makes it look super and I don't know. I was really excited about this one, but I feel like it too just looks kind of weird. Maybe it's supposed to look like this and it's just not my style. I don't know, what do you think? All right, next we have the dress. I actually really like the dress. I like the dip in the back. I like that the sleeves are a little bit flowy. They look a lot more whimsical this way. They're not super tight and constricting. I really don't like sleeves like that. I like the cross right here. It seems like it's structured enough that it's not going to continually pull apart and expose too much that's going on right here. You can see my diabetes fully on displayed, but I think with some tights it would kind of pull in and structure a bit, and I think some cute tights with this would look cute. I really like this. I really like this. I think that it's super cute. I like it. I like this one a lot. Pretty sure it was the most expensive thing, but I really like this one. All right, so last but certainly not least, we have the pants. I did cuff them at the base because I thought that they were a little bit too short to really be pants. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be high-waisted, so I did pull them up and pair them with this striped shirt. I know they might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I really like these. I love that they have pockets. I think that they're super comfortable, super cute for just, I mean, like I would go out like this. Let me show you what they look like not cuffed. Kind of hard to see, but can I stand on this box? Horrible idea. I moved you back a bit. I don't know if that helped at all, but this is what the pants look like. I really love these. Definitely keeping these. I'm probably just gonna leave this on and then do the wrap up. I'm gonna talk about what I want to keep, what I think I'm gonna send back, and then what the total price will be for all of it. But I'm really loving this. All right, so I am keeping the pants. I went and showed Alex all of these pieces except for I think the first shirt, but because I'm sending something else back, this shirt is gonna go back too. It was kind of cute had it fit better. I don't think that this pattern in particular would have bothered me too much, but because it didn't fit the best, it was a little bit too big, and the pattern is a tiny bit overwhelming for me. This one is gonna go back, but that's okay. And then this shirt too, I was expecting a lot more from this shirt. I was excited to give it a try just because I haven't owned something like this before, but it just wasn't quite my style. I thought it might have been, but when I tried it on, I mean, you saw, I was kind of a little iffy about it. And then the moment I walked out and showed Alex, he was very much like, no, maybe not for you. And I agree. So this one's also going back, but the pants are for sure staying. I love them. They're super comfortable. I love the color. I love the feel, everything about it. The dress, as I mentioned earlier, is definitely staying. This is super comfortable. I really love the color. I really love the fit of it. It's a tiny bit unfortunate that this is the most expensive thing in the box, but I think that I'll get a lot of use out of this
fall, and then maybe spring too, but I think fall is when I'll wear this the most, with some tights and some boots, especially to work. Really excited about this. So this is staying, the pants are staying, and then the sweater, when I showed Alex this, he really liked it, and the more I wore it, the more I kind of realized that sweaters are kind of supposed to be frumpy, oversized and comfy, cozy, and I think that what was really bothering me while I was wearing it was that the tag was, the way that it was sitting was just itching my back so much, but I think once I take that off, it'll be just fine. And I do really like the back. I think that this cutout is really cute and the knot back there. I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna keep this. So because I'm keeping 3 things, I do get 25% off. So the total price for these 3 items, the pants, the sweater, and the dress, is $130. So 25% off of that is like 32 something, $32.50. And so my total price is now down to $97.50, which isn't too bad. I do have some credits that I can use towards these items. So again, a huge thank you to anybody who has used my referral link to sign up for Fashom and try it out. If you would like to sign up for Fashom and try it out, your first one is essentially risk-free because your styling fee is waived, and then you also get $10 if you use somebody's referral link. You definitely don't have to use mine, but if you'd like to, that'd be really cool, and I would get $10 off of my next box. So thank you if you choose to, and if not, that's totally fine. Thank you for being here and watching my video. You help me out and support me in that way also. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.